Heritage Festival introduces another brilliant presenter, Reverend James.
Hello, I'm Reverend James of folkconjure.com and a member of the Association of Independent Readers and Root Workers and Hoodoo Psychics. At this year's virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival, I'll be presenting a workshop on Chinese moon blocks and paper talismans, ancient forms of Chinese metaphysical practices in divination and conjure to decipher and transform your fate. During our time together, we will discuss the origin and history of moon blocks, how to develop your initial question in preparation for using the moon blocks and refining it during the process, how to approach a deity, make proper offerings, and know if they've arrived, divining your answers with the moon blocks and accurately interpreting their message, the use of moon blocks to check the progress of your spell work, and the creation of a basic paper talisman using Chinese characters and symbology for a variety of conditions, such as love, money, and protection. Also, there will be a live Q&A with me where I will answer any questions you may have. You will receive the instructions and notes from my workshop by digital download in a PDF format. And don't forget, buy your festival tickets early and you'll receive a goodie box, a $100 value with your ticket purchase. This special gift is limited and only available on a first-come, first-served basis. In it, you'll receive the hands-on tools necessary to follow along with my seminar as well as the other outstanding classes presented during the festival. Throughout the weekend, myself and many other talented readers will be available between workshops for personal readings. You can pre-schedule your appointment with me and other favorite readers beginning in June. So join me, Reverend James, and the fantastic lineup of readers and practitioners at the 2022 Virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival, Saturday and Sunday, August 13th and 14th. See you there.